Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model X cabin air filter. First, gather your tools: a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and 2 new HEPA cabin air filters. Ensure your vehicle is powered off and the doors are open. You will be working in the passenger footwell area, so make sure you have enough space. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your air quality. Now, let's access the filters. Begin by gently prying off the passenger footwell panel with your trim removal tool. There are several clips holding it in place. Once loose, disconnect the 2 electrical connectors. Next, locate the filter housing cover. It has 2 clips. Unclip these to expose the 2 old cabin air filters. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the housing open, carefully pull out the 2 old cabin air filters. Notice how they are oriented. Now, take your 2 new HEPA filters. It is crucial to observe the airflow direction arrows printed on them. These arrows must point towards the front of the vehicle. Gently slide each new filter into its designated slot, ensuring a snug fit. This step is vital for proper air filtration. Almost done. First, securely reattach the filter housing cover, making sure both clips click firmly into place. Next, reconnect the 2 electrical connectors to the passenger footwell panel. Finally, carefully align and reinstall the footwell panel itself. Press firmly around the edges to ensure all clips are fully engaged. You have successfully replaced your Tesla Model X cabin air filters, improving your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.